Welcome back, guys. In the last video, we learned about user agent and how exactly we get information using user agent from the server. Now, while doing user agent scripting in Python, we use the get function. Get is an HTTP verb which is used in order to interact with the server. Now, in addition to get, there are around 39 more verbs which are used to interact with the servers in order to get different responses. We are not going to cover all 39 verbs because they are not much used, but I'm going to write down here the most used HTTP verbs which we will be requiring in order to do web scraping. So the most used function is get, and this is actually to get the message from the server. Then after get, there is another function which is used most is post. So it is to post some resource information on the server. So suppose you went to a website and the website is asking you for your creating an account. While creating an account, you post the password, like the information to the server that this is my password or this is my information. So I can write basically to post information on server. Similarly, there is a put verb, and this verb is actually to update the response. So update any information on server. And after this, there is more use function is patch. So patch is basically to update partial information on server. So partial means some part of the information. Probably suppose you have created a profile on Instagram and you are updating something. So that is a partial info. And I'll write on server also just to make it more clear. Then there is one more function which is delete. This is also used more often, and this is actually to delete a resource. Delete. So what it does, it actually deletes the part of the information coming up on the server, and this is used to interact with the server when you have to delete some information. So these are the most used HTTP verbs, and we will see them using scripting while making things in the Python in the upcoming videos. But majorly these verbs are the most used verbs, and you must know about them. All right, I think that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.